Okay, can you find T for Tesco or T for Thomas? Well done. Can you show me the T for Tesco? Where does it say T? Where does it say T? Good girl, it does. Put it back. Okay. Can you show me for Morrison's? Oh, good girl. Where's the M in Morrison's? What sound does it make? Okay. Can you show me for Holly or for Home Bargains? Well done, you. Good girl. Can you show me for Asda? Oh, well done. What sound's at the beginning? It is Well done. Can you show me for Sainsbury's? Well done. What else has S in it that you know? For sausages? For snake? Yeah, lots of things begin with S. Can you find... Where is it? Oh, so it is S. Well done. Can you find for co-op? Oh, can you show me where it is? I can't find it. Where is the letter C? Ooh. There it is, you're right. Good girl.